Yesterday was a great day for Shiba Inu, one of the best performers in the crypto market during that time, kind of separating itself from everything else. And this again is a real testament to the conviction, the excitement around Shiba Inu. We did in fact get a breakout. We came back down. Right now we're back within trend, and I want to talk about why that is and some good signs we're seeing for SHIB and Ethereum. But there is a wild card that we do need to discuss that is taking place today. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So looking at Shiba Inu in general, guys, this was awesome. All right, we printed an 8.25% daily candle. This was one of the biggest candles we saw in the crypto market. SHIB was kind of leading the way and separating itself from the rest of the pack. We did in fact have a SHIB breakout. We came back down. So this was kind of a little bit of a fake out, at least for right now. We did deal with some profit taking, some speculators jumped on board. It's not a surprising thing, right? So we're now still within trend. We're trying to see if Shiba Inu is going to flip around and test the top of this again. And there are some good signs taking place right now. In fact, what we're seeing on Ethereum is a little bit of excitement building there as well. SHIB is outpacing, ETH. And in fact, what we're seeing is huge accumulation and removal by Ethereum whale. So this is all, believe it or not, helping move the price of SHIB to the upside because of those big LPs it has with Ethereum. Now, again, ever since the Trump and Melania meme coin mania, we'll call it, we did see SHIB actually drop out of its trend versus Ethereum, but look at what it's doing. It is storming back with vengeance. It wants to get back above this trend, meaning that we're going to probably see SHIB outperform Ethereum over this next probably a couple weeks or so here. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. And what this could mean for SHIB is if Ethereum is making those moves to the upside, this is where we could get that big slingshot we've been talking about in terms of SHIB. We just have to be patient and watch and wait. And what we need to understand is this is actually taking place outside of institutional money. Guys, institutional money is not helping us right now. $251 million unloaded in terms of BTC yesterday. That's 3 straight days of unload in terms of institutional money. Ethereum, almost $41 million in unloading. All right. So institutional money is not helping the trend. So retail is having to do this on our own. And the good news is that retail is in fact doing it on its own. The excitement is picking up. I'm not sure if we've crossed into neutral yet. We just crossed into neutral there on the fear greed index. We're seeing BTC dominance on the drop, capital starting to re-enter the market. These are the exact signs that we need to see. Now, a couple things taking place today. By the time this video comes out, we will have already gotten our PPI report for the day. Again, hopefully that's on the good side. It's expected to be a little bit hot, but maybe that changes. But really the big wild card today that has created some volatility, at least as of late, has been tariffs. And lo and behold, President Trump has said today is the big one, reciprocal tariffs. All right. Now it's a question of what are we going to get when the official announcement is made, when that is said, yep, tariffs are in place. And that I don't know the answer, right? When we look at these last several times that we have gotten tariff news, we need to digest what has happened there. So we obviously know what took place on Monday, February 3rd, about a week and a half ago. We had the largest liquidation event in crypto history. There was insane amounts of long leverage, and we just saw this big drop. We saw this big fear take hold of the market. Panic set in, and we saw assets drop very significantly. Shiba Inu all the way down to 4011. But then we had a really strong bounce back. You guys can see SHIB closed that daily candle actually all the way up at 40168, actually higher than where it's at now. And we just basically took about a week and a half to kind of settle into these ranges, confirm if that was it. And even with our Sunday tariff news that kind of dumped the crypto market for a brief moment and then subsequently rebounded it, the market is becoming a little bit more resilient to this news. Now, I'm not saying that I know what's going to happen today, right? It's possible we could get a little bit of that manipulation attempt, a little bit of a shakeout attempt, but as long as retail doesn't panic and they don't let fear set in, and because frankly, we knew this news was coming anyways, we might actually turn this into a little bit of a push to the upside, right? Just when people think they got the market figured out, the market does something a little bit different and punishes the people that try to play games. We saw that happen on Sunday, and it's possible that this could be exacerbated even more today, all right? Now, we'll have to just be patient. We have to wait and watch and let these things play out. Remember, this trend for Shiba Inu doesn't officially conclude until Sunday. You know, it's possible we could see us bounce along the top before another breakout to the upside with a little bit of momentum. If we do see some weakness in the market, understand that we could come down and test this, 40 15740's 155 range again. All right. So I'm patient. I hope you guys are too. I'm excited about what we're seeing in terms of SHIB. Another day of whale accumulation. Go figure. This has been a consistent trend, and the trends for Shiba Inu right now, they are consistent and they are good. The fundamentals right now are our friends, and hopefully this continues. So I appreciate you guys as always. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think we get as the day goes on? But have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.